Task.Run and Task.FromResult are often confused because both return a task, but internally they behave very differently and are used for completely different purposes. Below is a clear, internal working, focused explanation, aligned with async/await logic. Task.Run, what it does internally. Task.Run queues work to the .NET ThreadPool and executes the supplied delegate on a background thread. When you call Task.Run, the runtime schedules the work item, picks an available thread from the ThreadPool, and runs the code asynchronously. Internally, a new task is created. The work is scheduled on a ThreadPool thread. The calling thread is released immediately. When the background work completes, the task is marked as completed and continuations are triggered. Key characteristics uses extra threads introduces context switching suitable for CPU-bound work execution truly happens asynchronously. Example: await task. Run equals do heavy calculation. Here, the CPU-intensive calculation is moved off the main/request thread to avoid blocking it. Task.FromResult, what it does internally. Task.FromResult does not create a new thread and does not execute code asynchronously. Instead, it wraps an already available result inside a completed task and returns it immediately. Internally, a task T is created in the completed state. No scheduling occurs. No ThreadPool usage. Awaiting this task continues synchronously. Key characteristics: no thread usage, no delay, zero scheduling overhead. Ideal for already computed values. Example: return task.FromResult 42. The value 42 already exists. It is simply packaged into a completed task. Core internal difference: async/await perspective. When you await Task.Run, the method pauses state machine captures execution thread is released continuation resumes after background work finishes. When you await Task.FromResult, the task is already complete. No pause occurs. State machine continues immediately when to use which use Task.Run. When you need to offload CPU-bound work from the main or request thread, use Task.FromResult. When implementing an async method that already has a result, such as cache data or mock implementations. Summary paragraph. In summary, Task.Run introduces real asynchronous execution by scheduling work on a background thread, making it suitable for CPU-intensive operations. In contrast, Task.FromResult simply returns a completed task without using thread.